Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. So we have a collaborator, Moid. So he and I are going to be working together. Be printing. I already printed it. Painting some of his work. Moid Patreon should be linked down below for that. If you want to go check out his stuff for Warhammer proxy as well. So I think I'm gonna make this. This is my little plasma tank. We got some female infantry as well. We got some Voltans. I'm not printing the whole collection of it because I don't think I'll be using these guys unless I have an actual want to build army of it. When it gets to that point, right now I'm working on building a Nurgle set. So one day I'll print the remainder of these and buy some Game Workshop as well. But they do look pretty good. Anyhow, check out the channel below.